Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can convert horizontal videos, like for example videos with the 16:9 aspect ratio, to vertical videos with a 9:16 aspect ratio. So let's get started. Now guys, in the first step, add the video clip you would like to convert here to your timeline by drag and dropping it on your video track here. And what you want to do next guys is click on settings, select the video mode from the drop down menu, choose that option here at the bottom, custom, and next click on add. After that, set your custom aspect ratio and resolution. For example, you can choose one of the preset aspect ratios from that drop down menu here to the right, like 16:9, 4:3, 9:16. There you have it. So let me click on it, vertical here, and after that confirm by clicking on OK, just like that. So as you can see, that video has been turned into a vertical video. However guys, I would like to adjust also the position and the size of that frame here in the middle, so that we may get rid of these or of that black background here at the top and at the bottom. So to do that, simply left click on your video clip here, head over to the filter section, click on that plus icon and look for a filter called size and rotation, just like that. Click on it, and after that simply adjust the size and the position of your video clip manually by left clicking and holding its corners, just like that. So let me adjust it really quickly. There you go, just like that. So let me position it better. There you go. So you can play around with this guys and customize it as much as you like. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.